Hey everyone, it's Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. Welcome. How are you doing? Well, I've got a bunch of stuff here to show you and tell you about. So this is going to be my next design, my next tutorial. So watch for this one. I'm getting ready for spring. Today is, I think it's March 1st. Yeah. We've had some storms here in Winnipeg, a couple of dumpings of snow, and then it got really cold, and then today's a little warmer, but we're supposed to get more snow. Like, seriously, come on. We hardly had any snow all winter, and we're just getting dumped on lately. All right, so this will be my next design. I am getting ready for spring. So this is something that you can make with thin weight yarn, or maybe up to a 3 weight. I think this is either a 1 or a 2, maybe a 2. This was yarn that I got from Hirschner's when they had the 2 cakes for whatever it was. I can't remember now. I think I paid $9.99 or something for 2 cakes, and that was US dollars, but I'm in Canada. So it was a little more. But anyway, or maybe a lot more. But anyway, so I'm using this cake to make this beautiful whatever it's going to be. So watch for this. It'll be a while before it comes out, but yeah. I do suggest like a lighter weight yarn, even a 3 weight. I don't know, maybe a 4 weight if you want. I mean, it's up to you, but anyway, it's going to be a lightweight wearable. Okay, and I'm using a 3.5 millimeter hook. Yeah. All right, so I want to thank Vivian for her super thanks. Thank you so much. And this is it right up here in over here. Yeah, thank you so much. I appreciate that so much. Now you guys don't have to do that. The button is there if you'd like to send a little monetary thanks, and you know, you don't have to. It's just there if you want to do it. But thank you so much, Vivian. I appreciate that. All right, now let's go on to Happy Mail. And then I have something from Temu that is somewhat crochet related. So I'll get to that in a minute. So this is from Christina's Crocheting. Look, how cute is that? So cute. And it is a Valentine card. Thank you much. Thank you much. Thank you so much, Christine. Christine is Crocheting. That's her channel name, and I'll link it below. And then the lovely Barbara Leanhard sent me a postcard. I love getting cards and postcards. Vero Beach, Florida. Look how gorgeous that is. Oh, so beautiful. It looks so peaceful and warm. Thank you so much, Barbara. All right, so let's get on to this package. I have more things I got from Temu in a haul today, but it's items for junk journaling, which I really am getting into, like, seriously. I might have a special thing coming up on my channel. I was just thinking about it earlier this morning. I'm like, I'm not really going to announce it, but like in this video, but it's something that I might need your help for. So yeah, anyway, we'll see how that goes. I have to kind of figure out how I'm gonna do it. All right, so these are stickers. These are crochet stickers, and I'll have the link below for these. I'll put the price on the screen and the number of stickers in here, because I don't think it, oh, it says 100 right there. Okay, so we have 100 pieces in here. Okay, so I'll put the price on the screen, and I'll put the link below if you're interested. I'm not affiliated with Temu, but I just thought this was really cool. Crochet stickers. I don't see them very often, and you know, it's nice to come across them. You know, crochet all day. And it says here, what does it say here? Yes, I am bilingual. I speak fluent chain 5 single crochet and next chain space twice, chain 5, skip next double crochet, and next double crochet, chain 1, skip next double crochet, and next double crochet 6 times, twice. Yes, I am bilingual. I speak fluent, I guess, crochet. Interesting. Crochet is my cardio. I crochet and I have the balls to prove it. Yes, that would be yarn balls. Team Knife Grip. What am I? Is that Knife Grip? Are they correct on that? Isn't that pencil holder? Oh, okay. You tell me what you think. Okay. Crochet hook and ball. Peace, love, crochet. Oh, knitting is my favorite sport. That's going to be sent to a knitter. Put that one aside. Knitting. Okay. some yarn balls. Trying to look around the camera. What is this? Oh, those are knitting needles, aren't they? Look like knitting needles. Yes. Okay, it goes to the side. Crochet is my happy place. It's a great day for crochet. Oh, here's another one. It's a great day for crochet. Yarn wizard things. Crochet is my self-care. Yeah, maybe I'll just flip through these a little faster. I don't know if you're wanting to see every single one. This is my first time going through them too. They just came to the door. Crochet Queen. Yeah, they're pretty cool. Oh, look at the birdie. Look at the birdie. Aw, the birdie's crocheting. Aw. Basket case. That is the one I've never heard before. How about you? Basket case. Oh dear. Hooked on crochet. I crochet so I don't unravel. What is that? Oh, is that a little ghost crocheting? Oh dear. Hooker, yep. A little penguin. Crochet is my therapy. Looks like I'm going through them all here. I'm hooked on you. Don't talk to me. I'm counting. I can crochet that. Crochet mom. There's a big bunch of yarn balls. There's crochet hooks under. What is this? Oh, that's not English. What language is that? What does that say? Yarn ball with a crochet hook. This one just simply says crochet. There, crochet. Crochet is love. I crochet so I don't unravel. Oh, that's cute. Huh. Just let me finish this row. Yes. I crochet so I don't unravel. Another one here. Oh my. Oh, what's this? Crocheting is my superpower. Oh. Heartbeat. Crochet stash. Crochet yarn balls, I mean. Oh, those look like knitting needles to me. All right, you can go in that pile. Crochet is not just a hobby, it's my therapy. You know what? Crochet is my happy place, it says. Oh, crochet hooks in her hair. Cute. Some crochet hooks. What was I going to say? Oh, there's been times when I'm cleaning the house or whatever, just doing stuff around the house, and then it's like, okay, I have to sit down and crochet. I need to relax and just crochet. We got knitting needles and a crochet hook in this one. Oh, that's yarn in there. Yeah, I just need to sit down and crochet and relax. Crochet is my therapy. No, cute. Naughty hooker. Don't talk to me, I'm counting. We got some knitting needles in here. Are there any crochet hooks on this one? I see knitting needles. Knitting needles. Nope. You're going in that pile. Crochet is my superpower. I crochet so I don't unravel. Oh, look, sheep. Sheep. Oh, what's this? Oh, I guess it's supposed to be a crochet cat. One more row. So there's a lot of different ones. They're different from one another. Crochet chick. And it's a chick. It's a ball of yarn. It's a chick ball of yarn. Cute. Crochet is my therapy. Crochet queen. These are pretty cool. Crochet assistant. I have 2 of those. You guys have crochet assistants too, right? Crochet fast. Dye warm. Isn't that cute? Crochet is my therapy. I crochet so I don't kill people. I turn strings into things. What's your superpower? I practice stitchcraft. That's right. Hooked on crochet. Hooked. Knit fast, dye warm. All right. I crochet so I don't choke people. Save a life. Send yarn. These little guys got looks like knitting needles. Crochet is my cardio. Just let me finish this row. Okay. Those are knitting needles in there. Crochet hook. Crochet all day. Crochet all day and all of the night. Restless Hands Club. Oh, there's an owl. Look at that. An owl. That's a crafty yarn owl. Crochet mom. My mom didn't crochet, but she actually did knit. But I never saw her do it. But she did knit us mitts when we were little kids. Crochet all day. It's a good day to crochet. Excuse me. That says crochet, but those are knitting needles. Over there. Well, no. What am I going to do with that? I can fussy cut it and cut these needles right off. That's what I'll do. Okay, what do we got here? Oh, cute. Okay, just chilling with my homies. There's a bat. I crochet so I don't unravel. And last one, I don't need a license to carry my 9mm. There you go. That's true. That's very true. All right, guys. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you liked this video. And please click like, and please subscribe if you would like to watch for this tutorial. All right. Thank you, everyone. Please leave a comment below if you have anything to say. What should I do with these knitting ones? I'm going to send them to somebody that knits. So how about we have a little giveaway right now? Why not? I'll send stickers. I will draw a name from this video, leave a comment using the word design, and I'll draw somebody and I'll send you these knitting stickers. Make sure you're a knitter, or you know somebody who knits that you could give them to. Yeah. All right. So I'll draw. When will I draw? I don't know. I'll put all that information below. All right. And the rules and stuff. And maybe you'd like to check out these videos linked right here. Thanks, guys.